got this thing wanging out there, man. What you got in here?
We got 6 Redline 715 DC audios.
Okay.
Wired to 1.3 ohm on 2 5Ks.
Okay.
3 200 amp hour batteries in the back. One little alternator.
I'll tell you what, man. You got your doors pretty solid. What's going on inside of the doors?
Nothing. We got hitters. Honestly, I have no clue.
Okay. All right. Cool. Yeah, I mean, because they ain't even moving off the hinges or anything, man. This thing is pretty solid. So, have you done any numbers here before? No? Okay.
We just got it sealed off. It was open up in the size. We got it sealed off.
Okay. Gotcha, man. Looks pretty solid, too, man. Nice. All right. Let's take a listen, man.
Gotcha.
Spaceships on banking. Oh, it just keep going, man. No. God is calling me. I'm in a zone.
It's not that loud.
Yeah, I don't know about that, man. Woo-wee. Got my feet kind of
I know I got my legs shaking.
wobbling a little bit, yo. Yo.
He's hot.
Yo. Yeah, that is hot, man. So, why do you roll one window up on this one?
I'm not sure. I think we were gonna try to do like an air trick, but we got it sealed off, but it won't blow much air.
Okay.
I think it's.
So you got to
feel
pour it
the
down here at the
whole lot.
bottom, man. Okay. Flat wall, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, man. Yeah, I like that. That's pretty.
Thanks,
yeah.
man.
Yeah, it hits pretty hard, man. Tell us about your name.
My name's Adrian.
Adrian, Poppa T. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, make sure you get down in the comments and let them know what you think about this build. Don't forget to hit that like button. Yeah, man.